Yo, what's up guys? I know Game here, and so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to do a review on all the dirt bikes we have and the quad, and my brother's going to be doing it for you guys. So yeah, let's get on into it. Alright.
Don't forget to pause the video.
No, you don't have to stop it.
Okay guys, we're going to start with the YZ over here. This baby's a 2002, 125 YZ.
No, I'm talking to her either ways.
And this thing's pretty fast. As you see, it's number 390. It's got some flames on it. It's pretty nice. This baby's 125 time. Then we're gonna go to the Yamaha quad. This thing is a 1998 200 blaster. This thing's got some power. As you see, the clutch cable broke, but we ordered one, and yeah, so we're selling it for $1,600 or best offer. So if you guys want to buy it, then hit us up. Okay, now we're gonna start with we're gonna start with KTM 2018 250 KTM. This baby's full function race bike. This sucker will outrun you faster than your mom's car, boy. So now it's got black rims. It's got some extra power right here. Move on to this Kawasaki. This thing's 2005, 85. This thing's a piece of crap because I hate Kawasaki. Goes like 5 miles an hour. It's my brother's piece of crap. Then I got my baby over here. This thing's like, woohoo! This thing's really nice. KTM 2005, 65. It's got.
Start it up.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not joking.
That will get yellow.
No, it won't. I told you to. Start it up. I'm not joking. I told you to.
No, I'll get in trouble.
I'll start it up.
Oh my god.
Here.
Okay, so my brother's gonna start it up.
Sounds pretty clean. Yeah. I'll get back to you guys once we get back.
Okay guys, we're not going out back, of course, because that bike back there is a little broken down, but it's a 2006 with an invisible motor and 65 SX.
Alright, thank you guys for watching the video, and